Alright, people. Devin Di Dakta have another song. 3 Little Crocs. Now, Devin Di Dakta, I go very, very hard. You know, so look how you drop. Left one bag of something for me, man. But anyway, Devin Di Dakta go really hard. So make a jump in it. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm going to jump in the video right now and review it. So please, leave an honest opinion in the comment section. Let me know what you think. You see me? So come in. Let's go.
Went out one day, out of the swamp, hatchlings gone stray. Daddy Croc here, and none of the fucking hatchlings went back. Which part of your bad chain? Stop it, yeah, bitch. Stop it.
Alright, the intro tough. The intro calm and collective. You see me? I need to send a message. Alright?
Acting one, go wash it yard quick. Clean the yucks, wash it dog shit. Just a small reminder, you're not an artist. I could've sent me every the bottom on this. Not a be a well, steady with the matic now miss. Sit down and fantasize about money. 3 little Crocs went out one day.
First verse too tough.
Out of the swamp, hatchlings gone stray. Daddy Croc here, and none of the fucking hatchlings went back. Which part of your bad chain? Stop it, yeah, bitch. Stop it talking, go and go wash it yard quick. Clean the yucks, wash it dog shit. Just a small reminder, you're not an artist. I could've sent me every debate.
Not a disrespect.
Man, this not a be a well, steady with the matic now miss. Sit down and fantasize about money now wig. Me see it clear, can masicka fish. Crocodile yam people, I saw your design, so you sleep with Shelly and pussy for your mind. Be a net.
Yo, Devin, you go hard and you do your thing there, but me just don't think masicka will get the time of day, bro. Because you're like a dying artist. I mean this with no disrespect. So please, you're a talented person, but you're a dying artist looking for a comeback. That's what us as the viewers, as the audience see us. You're just I'm an artist who is dissipating and trying to evolve back into the dancehall scene, and just now gonna happen. Especially through masicka, because I think him smarter now if you know say yo, him not give dying people a hands. Like you see me, a helping hand. You see me? So but we love the music still, you know. But may I be honest with you, G. It's like they were better try shoot off a Vibes Cartel.
Rifle for shoving I'm guy, Budo bye bye, head a fly, looking nice guy. But which part pussy you a pungai? Call him pungai. Fool tell you good try. Your friends not rated them know you would die. Yeah, them still send you out your dead, so goodbye. Pussy can't style me career, what do the clap for ya? Shane, you can't your rear but you masicka. You a Batman.
No. Me not like the Batman argument when it come to clash, you know. You see me? Yeah, me not like them Batman argument when it come to clash. You see it? Yeah. Me just never like it from the get-go. You see me?
One shot in your scapula, one in your trachea, one in your patella, one in your medulla, one in your fibula, one in your maxilla, them bullet can't tackle. Shot fly to scope a gunshot in your...
Dog mix the body parts them with the blood clot song. Yo!
Cops them and mace to me condom spectacular. But this upgrade me got this squad is when me par with your call 119. So maybe a mother call me. She dispatch a unit where you pull up at your yard fee. Give you one of the 20 matic where them a par with. The SP right me done. The commander want me charging. G me down a west. Yo Mikel where them a gone with. Big up here a tree. Clubbing then lift up the tall thing. If you run go over cam, miss was a killer kick a brawling. Mobile reserve. Your SWAT now do the talking. Era 5, let's start about Constant Spring. Police kill a brother, take the coke that it was nothing. Yes, police kill my brother cause the murders him involving. I get my place, you sent Mary with the farming. Dig up me banana walk, you find dead body still a morning. Bet you have to drive out St. Thomas for reach a Portland. Sent Mary, block the road, you're not crossing. Now this your mother Audrey, God bless the dead. Yes, my mother dead, to 2 of them in a heaven. But yeah, this my mother son, so but that she a defense. She grab a knife from the angel and run go kill the bitch again. Talking about family.
Yo. A man say him nah go this your mother cause the 2 of them mother dead. But yet this my mother so she run go grab a knife and the angel and kill the bitch again. No? Them man not see heaven gates. All kind of violence when I introduced to the heavens. No soul not set right with God in a boy.
You not deny the claim. box me a chat. People go check the lane. Find Crystal McDonald. She will deny the same. But me understand still the whole family shame. She and her mother used to clean it and rifle before the bitch dead. Then run them out. She start to clean her brother instead. She ain't give me a chat. You by your sister little piece bed. You insist for war. Me fling lead in a incest head. Bad man for what? Me wall me own. Me never twist up. Me diva want no gal. All of them germs to pussy shit up. All but you know a fuck. Check Javon baby mother. You know. Can't believe I saw the crocodile fish up. One bag of gal I bring a pussy put a foot. From me hold a push. In a gal me never joke about. If I that turn up a do, then you be fuck a man. Little bugger yo. Shot a fly. Chop up in a yo. Even if me get a jacket and the slim me prefer choose that. Me wouldn't choose to be you. No. Cause you got two that. You cannot touch my father's shoes. Much less a super. Me daddy boss a throat. Decapitate the little fool ya. 3 little Crocs went out one day. Out of the swamp, hatchlings gone straight. Daddy Croc here, and none of the fucking hatchlings went back. But the next guy your name, who that? By your brain, sound tired than lame. That's true. By your train, no. By your plane, yes. Flying at the air, we do what? Skydive now your mother head where? Young skull with the 17, yo. All him too, yeah, but him nervous, him cool and a tremble. While I rope. Young skull, it's simple.
Alright, let me be honest. I like me say from the beginning, Devin Di Dakta is a great lyricist. In flow, in metaphors, in sarcastic behavior when it comes to writing music. I think he's a very, very good writer in general. However, like me say, I might try look a war with Masicka. I mean, I think it'll go come true for him. Not saying that we wouldn't want to see Masicka, you see me, but me feel like Masicka dep on a pedestal right now in his career where him know say, yo, Devin Di Dakta is nowhere near me. Devin Di Dakta is nowhere close to me. So why give a dying artist a helping hand? Yeah, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So I saw me see it. Just like when Cartel come out of jail and him said the whole we know grape thing and all them something there, and Devabrat start fire shot off him, and it'll work for Devabrat, but it only work for a period of time. It works so people could see how lyrical Devabrat really is and how talented he is, and I think that is the same thing that's going to prevail for Devin Di Dakta. You see me? Great artist. We don't take that from him. Him bad, him lyrical. The song tough. All the song him drop for Shane and Masicka tough. But like I said, him just now get a response from who him really wanted from. Because him really don't want the response from Shane. Him want it from Masicka, because Masicka the top tier in the Crocs gang. You see me? So at that him want Masicka for reply. But Masicka not gonna reply. Me can't count on that. You see me? And even if Masicka reply, Masicka go sing a song and just drop a wicked line in it. And disgrace him and just cut it out there. So. You see me? But yeah. But anyway, still, I give the song a 8. You see me? I give the song a 8. I think 8 is the proper number, or the proper ratings, because Devin, for me personally, me feel like when you clash, Devin Di Dakta don't have a clashing voice. Like, probably me I think too deep in this music shit, but Devin Di Dakta don't have a clashing voice. Devin Di Dakta don't have a voice where you can say, hey man, him sound rough. This sound like a war. Like a Movado, Cartel, Donia, Bounty. You see me? Ninja man, the Monday. You see me? The Monday have the clash voice. Devin Di Dakta, man sound like one kid, dog. Man sound like one kid at clash in a high school, bro. And it's no disrespect. Him just don't have the vocals for a clash to me. You see me? So chat, comment down below, let me know what you think. Otherwise, I think the dog is a great artist, great lyricist, great writer. But however, I just not see it work for him in the space where I wanted for work for him. You see me? So like, comment, share, subscribe, let me know what you think.